Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am doing another Let's Play and I wanted to do like, how can I say this? I wanted to do like a super, super bold smoky eye that goes like all the way out. I might put some lashes, we'll see, but I gotta do this super quick because I gotta go to work soon, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by, I don't even know which palettes I'm gonna use, like, to be honest. I'm just gonna pick one and I'll tell you which one it is, but by the thumbnail you already know which one I picked. So anyways, I'm gonna start by covering my brows because I want them to be skin colored and then we'll go from there. So let me zoom you in real quick. So I'm just using NARS's smudge proof eyeshadow base. As you know, you've seen me done this before if you have seen my other videos. Just gonna lightly cover the brow, backwards and forwards. And then we're gonna go with some whiteout and a little concealer. Okay, well, let's go in with some whiteout. Okay, and now with some concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Magic Away concealer because I have a lot of it left. It's not my favorite concealer. What I hate about it is like as I'm applying the foundation, and then it's time to put the concealer, it's so hard to take the cap off. Like, it's so slippery and it's so like stuck in there. Like, you gotta think of those things before you make a product, like how easy it is to use it every day and how, the experience of it. Come on, Charlotte. Okay, I got a little concealer over here, but that's okay because we're gonna be covering it, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press a little powder onto the brows just to kind of set them. And this will help the makeup to go on smoother. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with the NARS eyeshadow base, smudge proof eyeshadow base. And let's start building the shape. So I'm gonna use Metalmorphosis, and I'm also gonna use Dark Star because I just used bronze foundation, so I don't want to use it again, Okay, so I'm just gonna start with Entice all over the lid. And I'm just gonna start by building the smoke with Dark Matter, which is the black color. And you can see we're starting to build the shape. Okay, now I'm gonna draw like a wing. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go with Metropolis and I'm gonna start building color into it. Okay, so it's coming out pretty nicely. And I'm gonna use the same color and just put it on the bottom. But I might leave like the middle part of the eye, like on the bottom, open, because I think I'm going to put a color in the middle and just make it go down. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of dark matter just to kind of box out the eye and just leave the middle open, like the inner corner open, to put some gold. There you go, so you can see that this part is coming out a little bit more. And I'm gonna use Gold Standard from, actually let's see. Yep, I'm gonna use Gold Standard from the Metalmorphosis palette. And just to get a little more detail, I'm going to use this brush and we're going to carve it out a little bit. Okay, this is becoming a very colorful eye, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of deep space, which is like a greenish, to transition the gold. Okay, and then to even add more of a shocker to the look, I'm gonna do some blue on the bottom. So I'm going to start out with Sterling. Now we're going to add some Interstellar. Okay, I'm gonna be adding some finishing touches, mascara, eyeliner. I'll be right back. And I think I'm gonna throw in the lipstick. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's very alien-esque. I'm kind of happy that I got all these colors, the drama, and I put a little bit of Omi lipstick. I'm kind of running late for work. I gotta remove this shit and go to work. So I'll put some videos, as you know, photos and stuff, and if you guys want to see more, please come to my Instagram. It's @vix4here. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. If you can, like and share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.